Kajika di komputer bat di laptop kabahajan jongpi. Hapaham sim Nongpoh Bhoi district mar persya bat ke school Alpha Higher Secondary School. Wantit nangi ngin airu ka warranty. Hendriu banaya ki laptop bat khat ar banaya ki desktop. Kini ki mar refurbish lane ki all stock. Naga jing pen kre jong ki kunhun Seng san partai bani khunnya ke election MDC. Kinong kersian bat kinong ilam jong Seng san partai kila kore ban pen Khlain nyala ke jong Seng san partai. Hari ini kesengi ke pemerintah kawai ke Seng san partai ke bela rimbha hapok gari kata ke Seng Kongres. Kalau yolan ban pediang hadu kumasan sepak ngut ki dikot jong kiwi ke Seng san partai ki belawan ban Nongpyniasoh sekene ke Seng san partai. Kisau teli ki konstituensi harilum khasi bercentia harangkat ki nongelam jong ki Seng san partai ki lawan ban Nongpyniasoh ke Seng Kongres. Yakini ki dikot ibet mai la pediang sngewbha do ba Roni Vilengdo udu UMLA jong ke Melim uba PNCM UMDC jong ke Pentor Romkra Ubadeiru Vice President ke parti hapok ke jelah. Ke Dibora Marak ke beri ke Working President lembat kiwi-kiwi ki nongilam ha Kongres Bhavan hanong ba Shillong. Hari ini kesengi ki nongilam jong kiwi ki Seng san partai na jirang konstituensi na ke distrik Bhoi. Kila lej ban Nongpyniasoh ke Seng Kongres. Uba Roni Vilengdo ulapan pau ya ke jingkermen bagine ke jingwan pai jong gidkot ke penisai ya ke jingkwa ban Khlain ya ke parti. Uba PNC mula banjur halor ke jingkong san jong ke Seng Kongres ban sim ya ke bynta ke bakongsan ha ke ban wanra ya ke kenhun jong ki nongilam badang samla bat ki balai sempang ban pentelun syakmat ya ke roy ke par hapok ke jelah.
Yo ot masih besar. Yo sapir kabatnya. Dia pilih bawan pedesok nak nongpyniasoh ngatrai bagi yo pamru ngatrai hargin sim jong sngewbha ya bam masih besar. Bagi kemen parak patuan Nongpyniasoh ya. Hai, tunang paiba alipun panyawu lo Meghalaya kut rairan ba Nongpyniasoh Biang bat panne syuta lah hapang asitong lah kasakir ben yang ini syuta apa dia mau ban sukunat ya prinsipul harga berputih dan film kumnu dan lahir mei pai kongres nama apa lapar sama satu Bhoi sengewbha dan di bawah ani hadapor sokar kongres hadilat pemutuma pasyong hayang ladi batri kambingan bentoy padijakan bentoy pasyong diwaidong bentoy balik pengaruh kami pelaisi minta terkongria nomor ba wasna sebelum dakadam matulung kam tujuh sunu komile tandai masuk kemen sipun banduri yang kirang sama bagi Nongpyniasoh pada kongres parti. Nama balik ngomong kumta yudon sipun ka jingkirenti ka expectation. Jom dipaipa nongshong nong ya ka jingkla hagari itu lagi. Nira de ki all players mana baroni nang barkari bol tambah kam segi new players mandi upailang hamaran puro bantu dang. Tagaw mo yung pilih Congress kati ko competition of the old star and the new star. Pansyuria kaya tang kilu sumay de amlong basuk. Habayla kaya kilu rim but kilu sumay nga try itnap ka district council hajar abstention ay. Kidon idea na person Manuel very young dynamic talented high expectation with Piper. Iwan na ka background kumur wan suatu kendiat ada dia ke yo kekot berjuai-juai yon sama Jonathan Sim disubungan kidon sama Kiu Shapran sama Benial Meltong sama Wan Suk masuk mensibun bagi don ni new team ibalong very dynamics ngang skamba ka ajar urusan election yang busy kadang ke competition jogir rurim batiru kemai bandang penjanai ya sih kepala isimpur penhadur nak dia kepala pendak batam pendek dan menerima manusia kritisaisan kamlong kepada dalam kongres parti kadang ke parti kepada yang kita tribal isung tu nak bah jengba galantan supaya jauh makin macam hadu mentangi longkum ni kamnang ba Shillong atrai ke khubor pada bila tiap mengimbang Ajar pun tidak bersnong. Takadaw isu benong Kongres Parti compare. Idon hango dulu Tanggaway, ban no sinang, ban yada dekat riti ke bustur jongi. Kim deban kemen tang Nongpyniasoh, deban kemen lu ha kapur bakri result. No, reshitom, ini governance camp. Bala gumu lagi ka single party executive committee, that is the best. Karena saya idon di sama manual berkiwai-kiwai, kemana I new idea, gumu na kebentangan berkat maino, bala gumu bagian yo aji mentoilan ikon dihajar. Yung hima kasih jom ibar deha popul sam juga district council ke jom.
I would like to welcome you all. I was learned you all are coming from different parties. I welcome you to the Congress Party, the oldest, one of the biggest party in the country. Now, I'm sure with your joining to the Congress Party, we'll be able to work harder. We all know for some time Congress was in depression. Now we can work together to galvanize and revitalize the party in future. As we all know, our MDC election is approaching very near, so we have to work together. I'm very happy. Lastly, people are realizing again, and we have to fight against corruption this time. I have worked with many leaders. I have started my political career as an NSUI leader, student, youth congress, Mahila. Then after that, I have contested. I have worked with many leaders like Balapang, SC Marak, even Captain Sangma. I saw him while I was working as NSUI leader. But those days, politics was very different. Yes, always there is a corruption, but up to the limitation. But today, I can see the corruption in the state. Our chief minister of the state, I think ninth, one of the richest chief minister in the country. But if you look at the economical condition of the state, I think our state is one of the poorest states in the country. So today, with intention to fight against corruption, ladies and gentlemen, I would really like to urge upon you, let us fight together against corruption. Maybe this is the main issue. That is why people of Meghalaya, they understood, though it is very late, we understood we need to fight against corruption, price hike, unemployment together. Now we realize, though it is very late, still there is a time to fight, because MDC election, after that, for MLA election, we need to gear up. Tomorrow I'm also leaving for Garo Hills. Just now, former minister Adab Lulu Hitler called me up. Same thing happening in Garo Hills also. Even in Garo Hills, people realize they wanted to join Congress Party. That's why on the 2nd I'm leaving for Tura.
Congress mentala Snem. Jadi keciklat jom ada mino syaka Seng mino nak Kongres UDP di kota nalasa no kubu beriu madam nyala berom te sipur ngalasngu penat bai kata kecik nyalap juga Voice of the People Party ngalasngu no pensi mahayaka te kota ngal join saka sipur
Henry ngalasong itu ngalah perkat dan ngalasang nilai itu kamde ke Bhoi sabit parti mo nama abang kata presiden kedua ngangas kumpa tenan nakata mentang ngaperkat mo imat ngaladai bat Bhoi Biang sakakni namar kadai kani ke parti ke bana nasngau sa kadang ke nongrim katenra akaba kamtam nakabata jong kibagi makan kari maklas lakar ni saroni bene kadai kari kaba ni de kirit pa ikmat ke India ida tamsi nya baret te ladangin ke de benreo ladangin perhat pa kumboang kari jogi kan sa jangat kaktin jogi kita benreo jogi kan sa jangat ada dekat selapet te kumta ngasyum ya garai ngong dalong gumno nan lek Bhoi Biang sa parti kongres bat ngalara hiru dengan nenek lalong gumno agane ke parti te kumta nangis kamba Kumba ka soyong ke jogi kadai ka ketem jong ke kongresi orok sikata mo kadai ka ketem jong ke kongres bat nangis kam remba ka jingdon jong i ba osbon mo karjana ku presiden te ngapain na train kalkat sakiway parkiran ba kibatangwan na tiyan kitang pun te kiong yana ya cikma te mangi na po na tiyan tinga kermen da kecing studi mo te kirang ba da kapang ya trailan na kabanta da jing bahajo konstituensi soyong kejengi ngangi ba kani ka edisi panwan ka soyong kan sawan Biang dong periode ke parti kongres
Pidan kam projektor ban peni film ni pidan kam projektor nak bentaki awareness program jongpi phun sengi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei kendai hendru yue ar nyau lai